Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. This is episode 3 of my server. Um, I went ahead and just built the entire tower. Uh, yeah, I'm not good with building on camera, so I just went ahead and built all of this, and it was super repetitive. I switched up the outside towers, as you can see. They're all the same height. I'll just do a quick fly around. Yeah, all of the towers are the same height. It looked super weird the first the first way I had it when they were like different heights, so I just went with the same height. The inside is not done, but I'm going to work on that another day at my own pace because it's just gonna be a bunch of farms like bamboo, sugarcane, probably kelp, stuff like that. I'm just gonna layer it here, and then the downstairs is gonna be somewhat of a surprise. I don't feel like uh, explaining all of that right now. But yeah, tower is complete, and it is looking nice in my opinion. I went with like a weird shape. I guess it's a star. Not 100% sure. I didn't really think of a specific shape when I built. I just kind of built, and it turned out like this. I used diamonds as like a decorative block there. I think it turned out really nice. Eventually, eventually I will put other uh, shapes and decorative blocks in between just to kind of give it more of a cool look rather than just a flat wall, but that is for another day. Um, the terraforming here I will probably just do off camera as well because I'm not sure what I want to do yet, but this bottom here will get fixed up and made looking better. But today I wanted to start work on a new project. Zeppelin. Not my build, but Red Jarmid. He is not on right now, but we built this as like a community farm, and well, I built this so that he could get enough wool to finish that. We got enough wool for that, so I'm slowly switching out the colors. But today I'm going to be doing the storage system for this because the current one that I have is not near good enough, and that will be going over here. All right, so I got the first section done, and it's actually quite easy to make a sorting system. I shouldn't have used red wool, but I did. I am not very smart when it comes to this. Pretty much, this comparator takes this stock, like whatever's in here, as long as it's over, like, I think it's 45. Once it's 45, and then shows uh, redstone power of well, it goes to redstone dust, but not the third, so it doesn't actually unlock this hopper. But as soon as you stick one in, it unlocks it and puts it in this chest. So I will show that again. It's unlocking this. Oh, it's going the whole way down. Yeah. And then as soon as it hits the 41 again, it locks it again. So fairly easy. I will just repeat this the entire way, just by going like so. And the reason why you can put these side by side is because this one here goes 1, 2. So it won't actually activate this one, meaning you can just stack these side by side. Very nice design. Are these comparators? No, I wanted... I don't have any more, that's why. So yeah, wait. Is that a comparator? I thought you were... Why am I using comparators? I thought you were supposed to be a... One sec, I want to see if I can use I thought I was using a repeater there. And it worked regardless. I actually don't know why. Do comparators do the same thing? This will probably mess it up. Alright, let's try this again. Nah, repeaters do the same thing as comparators. Alright. I did not know that. I mean, they transfer a signal through blocks. I did not know that. So yeah, I'm just gonna go and do this 8 more times here. Like so. And this entire section is, other than the missing comparators, is done. So yeah, I will just build this all up and then get back to you once this side's done, and then I'll uh, do it again over there. And she is done. That side anyway. All of these, let me just, do I have any iron? I'm gonna take down this annoying red wool so you guys can see the finished project. 1 second. I built it a little wrong, so I did switch it up. You may have noticed that as I was building the first one, that even though it was working with a single section, it did not work with multiple sections, and I will show you why. All the torches. Why is that torch off? Oh, that's because stuff's going into it. Okay, okay, okay. I got a little worried. Alright. So originally I just had these going like this. These were all just facing that way. And what that was doing was, every time it was unlocking this below, it was breaking pretty much the entire system. So these face the comparators, and then a row goes above it with the correct wool color in. We have red, black, gray. I started on blue and orange. I have 6. I'm not sure if I actually showed this, and I'm not going to go back into my video to see if I did already show this, but I have 64 sheep. Each color is going to get 4 sheep, pretty much. It's a 16 by 16 by 16 by 16, so 4 different colors on each side. So I'm going to make this an 8. I think it's 8 high, 9 high, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 8 high by 8 wide. So we're gonna have all 16 colors. This might get pushed back a little bit more, so there's 3 blocks in between. Just because I don't want it to be, I don't want this to feel crammed. But yes, I'm just gonna do the color of the wool on the floor here. Cause I keep triggering this. So it's gonna go blue, then orange here, and then straight down like that. I'll probably push this back another 2 blocks or so, like this. I'm gonna do that the other way so that all the chests are facing the same, otherwise it'll bug me. But yeah, they're all gonna go back to there. That way there's a 3 block gap in between the colors and the chests and like the actual pathway. But yeah, I'm not sure if I showed the actual system yet, but pretty much I have a self-invented item system. Self-invented because it's not good, as you can see. You have like an actual dropper tower, which I think this is how they're made. I think this is how other like they're normally made, but I'm not sure. I didn't watch any tutorial on this. I just kind of came up with it as I went. I'm not sure if it's correct. Now that I see how I did that, I probably know how to make it better. But yeah, pretty much items going to there, going to the hopper back there, going to here. This detects what is in there. So then this just extends a observer, causing a observer clock to activate, which then starts the entire dropper tower, which then puts all those items into the item stream. This right here just locks the actual hopper. I mean the rail, and it's just super simple. Just as long as there's one item in there, going through there, it activates this, which yeah, I'm not even gonna try to figure that out. I could have probably condensed this by putting both, like running both these systems off of the same comparator, but oh well. That is that. I just covered it up a little bit originally just so people wouldn't like mess with it, creepers wouldn't blow it up and stuff like that. I need some more rockets to fly up there. Yes. I do need to fix this though, because I knew that was going to be a problem. I just didn't get around to doing anything about it. Just go like that. There we go. And the problem is solved. I'm just going to run this the whole way along since I'm already starting with it. And one more, or yeah, two more. And then I'll sleep real quick. I have a single sleep on the server, so whenever there's people online, we don't have to worry about everyone having to sleep. But yes, this is all functioning, working nicely. Slowly starting to stack up stuff. The gray wool is definitely going to be stacking up more than the other stuff since I still have a lot more sheep of that color. But yes, in case I didn't show this, super simple design. Observer to observe the block, and then just a simple 3 redstone dust leading up here to activate the dispenser, which is full of shears. It will activate twice, like that one just did. Every time the grass grows, it activates, and then every time the sheep eat it, it activates. Now, that might not be the most efficient way, but it's the only way I could think of to actually get this to work. Yep, you just seen that one over there. But yeah, this is the super simple little design, extremely cheap. So I'm trying my best to not use tutorials, although I just had to check a tutorial to see what I did wrong here. And yeah, I just had to add another hopper chain above it and just face all these this way, which, oh well, not a big deal, I guess. But yeah, that is one side done. I will work on this side until I'm out of materials, just because I do not think I have a lot of, yeah, I don't have a lot of wood left after this. So I could make a couple more chests out of this. Let's just see how much this gets me. 25 chests, that might be, what the heck, they're right here. 55 chests yet? 8 times 8 is 64. Yeah, it's not enough chests. Wait, 8 times, I need two stacks for this side, don't I? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 8, 64 times 2, yeah. And then I need all the hoppers yet. So that's another 64. Okay, I need another 2 plus 15 stacks. 2 stacks plus 15 to finish this side. So I will not be able to actually finish this, but I can at least get the redstone built. So, yeah. Alrighty. So, little progress update. I ended up having to go and get a lot more iron from the iron farm that one of us has built. And doing so has made this video take a couple days longer to get out, just because I had to get the wood, had to go and AFK at that iron farm. Sorry. You know what? I'm gonna have music on like 30%. I haven't heard Minecraft's music in a while. Yeah, I had to go get a bunch of resources for this. It took a little bit longer than I expected, so yeah. But it is now pretty much done, except for the redstone, which I just need to put a bunch of this. Oh, right here's all my supplies for it. Just need to put a bunch of this stuff away. Have enough comparators. Do I have enough repeaters? I don't have any. Oh, nope. There we go. Actually, that should be more than enough for me to finish it. I'm just gonna do all this on camera since I pretty much remember how to build it. It's just that 3, that. Let's see. Then this goes out 1, 2. That'll go down 1, which I need to get down there. Let me just go like this. Let me just get way down there. A lot of umming and stuff because it's been a couple days, but down. Alright. Yeah, it's been a couple days since I last recorded these segments. This goes there, that goes there, and this goes here. So I had that built slightly wrong. And just like so, repeater, torch, not redstone, dust, and the dust goes on the back. Like, oh, I didn't even put any of it down, like so. And then that should be a working system. Yep, and then should end up with like 45. Yeah. All right. So yep, just copy this all to that, and I am just going to not edit any of this out, just so you guys can see how to build it in case you're interested. In doing it yourself. Trying to do this fast and it's not working. There we go. By the end of it, oh, rain. Is that thunder actually? Might be a thunderstorm. Alright. And then I can get rid of this, get this here. Boom, boom. Just build a cross just for ease. And then these the entire way across. Get rid of the remaining red wool. And this should be this system, this side of the sorting system complete now. If I did all that correctly, it should look similar. Yep. Looks fine. And this side is non because I don't have the wool to go into those chests yet. Oh yeah. Since the last couple clips, I have also messed around with some kind of color palette. I'm running out of time for this episode, but I'm just gonna um, show you a little bit of what I'm gonna go for. I'm gonna do like a sandstone, uh, stone brick type of build around this. I yeah. Uh, oh, that's not the sandstone. Yeah, probably just something like this. Super, super simple, really easy. Um, Something different from the rest of Spawn. So yeah, this isn't going to be the whole color palette. It's just I don't have the other stuff on me right now. But yep, that's what we're going to work on next episode. But this is probably where I'm going to call it. Let's well, um, that's going to do it for this episode today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Um, I hope to see you guys in the next episode. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.